I'm Zeus. I am the king of all the other gods. My powers include lightning bolts, storms, and strength. I make sure all the other gods are doing godly things.
I am Athena. I am the goddess of war. My powers include winning against every battle I am in, and my spear can make people fight. Ares is a fake god of war. I hate him. Zeus is my dad. Yeet.
I'm Ares. I'm the god of war. My powers include being the best warrior there is and controlling war. And next time with the Zeus and Athena, now get out of here.
Greetings, I am Cheyenne. I am the goddess of winter. My powers include ice and snow, and occasionally I can turn people into ice sculptures. Me, Medusa, and Gaea are all best friends because we all have something to do with nature, and I really don't dislike anybody. So, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go back to meditating.
Oh, hi, I'm Medusa. I'm not a god or goddess, I'm a Gorgon. But I really like Quixote and Gaea because they're my best friends and my cousins in a way. I hate Athena though. My powers include turning people into stone with my deadly gaze and attacking people with my with my venomous snakes. Well, snake. But I don't really know what else to say, so bye-bye now.
I am Hermes and I am a god messenger. My powers include super strength, running and flying at godly speeds, and creating ghosts. I am friends with Zeus because I give messages to him, and I am mostly friends with all gods and goddesses. I do not dislike anybody but the enemies I make.
Hello, I am Gaea, the goddess of nature. My powers include creation and controlling nature. I really don't have a problem with Medusa, Cheyenne, and Zeus because Medusa is mostly snakes, Cheyenne is mostly cold, and Zeus is mostly lightning. And those are all pretty much part of nature. I really have a problem with Athena, Ares, Erebus, and Hades because they're all mostly destruction, war, darkness, and chaos. But I'm more of creation, nature, animals, and plants. But it's hard to say I don't like Erebus because he's my brother. But that's all for now. Goodbye.
I am Hades. I am the god of the underworld. My powers include invisibility and complete control of the underworld. I like one of Erebus because he is the god of darkness.
I am Erebus. I am the god of darkness. My powers include covering the whole world in darkness, teleportation, invisibility, superhuman speed, corruption, confusion, and shadow blasts. I really hate Mr. Cake. He's the most annoying.
Did somebody say my name? Hello? Oh, hey, Erebus. How are... Oh, okay, see you later.
Die! And Gaea is my sister.
Hello everybody, time for a roll call. When I say your name, you tell me you are here. Quixote.
Present.
Hermes.
Here.
Medusa.
Here.
Ares.
Here.
Gaea.
Here.
Yes, Athena.
May I please start World War III? I am the goddess of war anyway.
No, Athena, we have talked about this. No! Have a great day, and I'll check in with you later.
I'm making some poison to kill mortals to get more souls for the underworld. This is what I expected. It seems to create power to paralyze gods to get like me instead. I'll give it to Erebus to use it best.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I shall confusion through the ranks. With this confusion selective and the powder from Hades, I will eliminate Mr. Annoying. I mean Mr. Cake.
Oh yeah, baby, it's wartime.
Oh, it's Ares, the fake god of
Oh,
war!
you have to see that.
Oh, Mr. Cake, just walking along. Oh, what was that? Huh? What's going on? Oh, hey, Erebus. Oh, why am I paralyzed? Oh, this can't be. Oh, God, how is this happening to me? Oh, my goodness.
Hey, Erebus, we found Mr. Cake's body and it looked like it was corrupted by darkness from the Shadow Blast. Was that your work?
To escape blame, Erebus disappears.
Huh? Everybody, stop! Waterfall!
Zeus, Mr. Cake is dead. There was some type of powder on him and he was dark.
All right, this has gone far enough. This is not how gods and goddesses should behave. This is not who we are or what we stand for. I know you guys are confused, but there has been a murder, and we have to bring justice. But we have to work together to bring justice to this crime. Go gods and PS goddesses too.
Zeus is right. We're not acting like our true selves. We're all under a spell.
Yeah, he's right. My head hurts. I thought something was off too.
Hermes has a clear mind after the spell was broken. He remembers that he saw powder traces by a secret entrance to the underworld.
Powder. What could this be?
Hermes, now in Hades' lair, sees him manufacturing more powder to give to Erebus. While Hades is working and not looking, he snatches the powder.
Whoa! Hades did it all. He murdered Mr. Cake.
Erebus did it all. He murdered Mr. Cake.
Hades did it all. He murdered Mr. Cake.
Erebus did it all. He murdered Mr. Cake.
Hades did it all. He murdered Mr. Cake.
Erebus did it all. He murdered Mr. Cake.
You betrayed us. This is your punishment. And you deserve the most punishment, Hades. And your heel's done. Why were